The TL7 allows users to create and log in using their OneScreen accounts for a more personalized experience and ability to save files on the cloud. This way, users can log in to a TL7 anywhere and have all their customizations and files accessible. Before we learn how to do all these amazing things, let's quickly learn how to create an account and sign in. Press Sign in the top right corner. Scan the QR code on your phone or switch by pressing here to log in directly from your TL7. I'm going to show you how easy it is to log in by scanning the QR code. Once scanned, sign up by typing in your email, your preferred password, birth information, and pressing the verification button. Enter the verification code from your email and you're done. It's that easy.